Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here. We are live in the markets. The markets have just opened and everyone's getting worried here, guys. SOS has got another direct offering, but welcome Ronaldo, welcome James Awkward. Good morning everyone who's just joining in. I hope you guys are doing well. So yeah, there's a lot of people messaging me about this direct offering, but let's keep it short on this one, right? Because look, it is a direct offering. It is another one. Last time we saw it around $5. Look what happened to the share price, right? Direct offering is when the company sells existing shares directly to an investor. So I don't know what everyone's panicking about. This is good news. More money, more investments back into the business. So yeah, tell me what you guys are thinking. What are you guys saying? How's everybody doing today? There's a few stocks I like. The market's looking pretty weak, to be honest, guys. The market's looking pretty weak. So yeah. What's everyone looking at? What's everyone interested in? Alright, so yeah, SOS looks to be finding some selling pressure here. Let's see what happens. CCIV, on the other hand, what is happening? 57, holding up pretty well over there. SOS dip buy. Josh says, what's up, guys? What's going on? Hey, Alex, how you doing? CCIV looking to shoot off there. SOS, I suspect, might come down. But I'm in this for a long position, guys. I've sold out half my shareholding for 400%. There's no concern here for me. This was always a long-term hold at this stage. So whatever happens in the short, medium term, direct offering isn't necessarily a bad thing for me. It's a good thing. It's a very good thing. In fact, we had the last direct offering at $5. If you guys remember that, look what happened to the share price. That didn't ruin the share price, did it? So yeah, some people might get scared here because some people don't understand what the direct offering is and how it affects the stock, right? So they might get scared out of the trades and the long-term position. Shelly Ann says, you think it will dip a bit more? Perhaps, yeah, perhaps. It depends on the sentiment, because some people see as a direct offering as a bad thing, right? And some people say, oh, why are they entering yet another direct offering? So they've done two. Yeah, they did the last one at $5, but look what happened to the share price. So it may dip, it may not, but the market's fairly weak, guys. So we can't just base off the share price movement on the news of the direct offering. We need to look at the overall market, and the overall market's looking pretty weak, is what I'd say, right? Let's see what else is happening here. Okay. See what the market's looking pretty red right now. We need 389 to hold on SPY. If 389 doesn't hold on SPY, then we're going to get a bit worried here. We need 389 to hold on SPY to remain bullish. Do you see what I mean? So SPY looks to be holding up, guys. It looks to be holding up, so this is good. You think it will dip a bit more? Yeah, I've answered that question. I'm waiting for entry on some plays here, guys. Waiting for some entry. Give me a second, guys. Just trying to enter some trades here. Just see what my portfolio is saying. What's everyone looking at? Is everyone looking at any shares? Hello, Roy. Hello, Roy. I'm a bit busy just trying to message you guys and enter these damn trades, so just give me a second. I'll be with you guys in just a few seconds. Come on. You know when your platform logs you out? That is the worst thing ever, guys. That is the worst thing ever. Okay, SPY is recovering. You can see it here, guys. SPY is recovering. This is good. This is good. 389 was a very, very close area I had to wait for, right? I had to wait to see that recovery. Look at the recovery on SPY. This is great news. Okay, this is good. This is good. Roy, are you in on anything? Let me know. Interested. Boo, 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 boo. What's you... Roy. What is SPY doing, guys? It seems to be playing games here. Alright. Let me just come out of this so I can see what the live chat is saying, what you guys saying. Alright, SOS also, what's okay. What's SOS saying? SOS holding up. Yeah, it's just gonna float around here. Let's see what it does, guys. SOS. I'm watching DFFN very closely. Okay, James Awkward. DFFN. I know I talked about that yesterday. What else? I'm just trying to find the next play, guys. Give me a second. Oh, SOS trying to come back here. SOS trying to come back. Wow. Okay, things are getting fun here. Things are getting fun. That's what I like to see. SOS needs to break that 1186 before we see any other highs here. Floating in this range here, so nothing really exciting on SOS. CCIV, on the other hand, is holding up well at these all-time high levels here. I would love to see 60 sometime soon, guys. I want to see that sometime soon. Hopefully we can catch a move here. Alex P. Oh no, Alex has spilt his tea. He spilt his tea. Alex has spilt his tea. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, what's happening? Checking out DFFN. Alright, let's pull up DFFN. Did I have it up yesterday? Where is it? I swear I had it up somewhere. Where's it gone? Oh, here it is, guys. Let's pull it up here with the Mara and the SOS. What's DFFN saying? It's flat. It's completely flat right now. 149 is that level. We need I am in DFFN actually. Am I? No, I'm not. Sorry, I'm in DNN. The market is looking a bit shaky, guys, so just be patient with any entries here. How's SPY looking? Damn it, I always lose the damn thing. SENS, somebody's shouting out there. What's going on with SENS, guys? SPY, what? Dude, this thing is just... I need a better way to manage these damn... Alright, what's SPY saying? SPY is currently down 0.8%. Oh no, it's retesting 389. Oh no, SPY is just broken 389, guys. That is a clear level where I am watching SPY very closely. SPY is looking to break that key area which I had on watch. I'm just going to chart this level very quickly, guys. I would like to see it hold. Oh man, 389 is such a crucial level at this point. Instead of losing KG, I'm losing dollars. Your sense is kicking ass. Alright, your sense is kicking ass. Okay. But we're watching SPY right now because I want to know what is happening in the overall market, guys, because that's going to affect a few things. It is going to affect a few things, so we got to watch out. We got to watch out. The market, yeah, I mean, look, everything's gonna be held back if the overall market isn't siding with us. So be patient for any entries. Next. I think when the market recovers, hopefully it does, we need this level to hold, guys. We really need this level to hold. What do I think of DFFN? It's up 0.67%, $1.50. That was the level I had charted, 149. So we did talk about this yesterday, right? We did talk about this yesterday, I think. Right, it's still good. I like right. Still good. Crypto's doing well. Why not? Just gonna do well. SOS 1148. This is good. SOS coming back here. DFFN, yeah, 155. That 149, I missed it now. 149 was the level, but I've got my eyes on a few other stocks at the moment, guys, so it's gonna be a bit tricky. But DFFN, yeah, looks to be making the move finally. SPY on the other hand, still struggling there, 389. Okay, here we go. Is SPY recovering now? No. We need clear rejection here. I want to see some buying pressure coming in, but we need this level to hold well, guys. We really need it to hold well. DFFN, on the other hand, is trying to break past that. It's trying its best. Some stocks are doing pretty well today. Good morning. Yes, I did get into LKCO. It's up. I'm up 6.1% on LKCO. Great stuff. Thanks whoever told me. I'm up 8% on LKCO. CCIV up today. ACIC. Oh, love it. I love it. ACIC is doing well for me today. Whoa, DFFN's popping here. SOS 1174. SOS back with the recovery. Will we break 1186? We need 1180. Above 1186, we're back into safe territory here, guys. So let's see. Let's see what happens. Oh, there it is. There's the pop. Yes, there's the pop. There it is. Let's see where the next candle opens up so we can get back into safe territory here on SOS, because I was fearful we'd come back to 886. But seems fairly strong here. This is good. This is good. LKCO is flying, guys. LKCO is flying. Where is it? LKCO. Dum. Might need to clean up my charts, guys. I got too many stocks on here. But LKCO, I like it. I really do like that. Great stuff. SOS, come on. We need above 1186. We need above 1186. Come on. It really wants it, guys. It really wants it. Buying pressure's kicking in here. I don't think at this point in time. DFFN, CCIV, SOS, Jody. You know what it's about. I'm gonna have to pin that message. Gonna have to pin that. Let's go, SOS. Come on. We need above 1186. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Let me see. Is there any other stocks I have eyes on? USWS. Roy, what's happening there, man? Struggling. But I am in it. So let's see. CHEK. Yes. FRX. All right, guys, we're making a recovery. It looks. Oh, sorry, I missed this. I was busy trying to place an order. Here it comes. SOS. Who was panicking on SOS? Come on, guys. I did say earlier, just on the live, that what was I saying? That the direct offering isn't necessarily a bad thing, right? Because it's being sold to another company. It's not reducing the value of the share price, is it? So it's flying, guys. It's flying. We're back in business on SOS. Hey, Pedro. Hope you're good. Good afternoon for you on your side of the world. SOS popping over 12. Hopefully. To me, right now, we're in safe territory because I want it above 1186. I want to see where the next candle opens. I am on the 30 minutes. So let's see what's happening in the smaller time frame, guys. Let's have a look. There we go. Okay, new candles opened up. Will we remain bullish here? Hopefully might start consolidating, or we might start breaking through, because it's all about market sentiment. You know, we did say DFFN is flying 160. Congrats whoever's in that. Yes, James Awkward. Great comment there. Yep. I agree. CCIV. Yes. It's the after party, guys. We've already made our money on these plays, right? We've already made our money. We're just here enjoying the ride. We're here enjoying the ride. No need to panic. And yeah, exactly. So let's have a look. Anything else I'm looking at? Anything else? Let's see. CCIV, we need that 60. Come on. SOS holding up very well. I like it. Now we're above 1186. This is giving me some confidence here, guys. There's a lot of shares moving today. There's a lot of stocks moving. I can't keep my eyes on everything, but there's a lot of stocks printing for me. CCIV is indeed flying. I like it. Let's see where we go here on SOS. But what's SPY doing? SPY is trying to recover here, guys. This is great. Okay, I like it. SPY is trying to recover here, and it's very choppy in the markets. Can you see all these candles here? Very choppy. So happy another SOS. Ronaldo knows what he's doing. He knows what he's doing here, guys. He knows it. Okay. Any other movers? Look at ACIC. Yes. All right, that's one of the plays for the members. Oh my God, ACIC is flying. Congrats to everyone in ACIC with me. Well, I don't think I mentioned ACIC to you guys, but the members. Wow. ACIC is flying, guys. ACIC is flying. Oh my goodness. DFFN, SOS, everything looking good here in our plays, guys. Everything looking good here. CCIV, come on, get to that 60. Let's go. CCIV, we need 60. Come on. Welcome to the after party, guys. ACIC, you are a beauty. ACIC, you are a beauty. Oh no. Okay. Well, I'm in ACIC for a long time, so I'll just hold it. Seems to be still getting some buying pressure though, so maybe that was a dip buy. SOS struggling, 1220, 1220. Okay, no, it's fine. It's absolutely fine. ACIC though, guys. Tell me about it. Oh, yep. I'm liking what I'm seeing. But SOS, come on. Should I buy ACIC? You're a bit late for anyone thinking about ACIC. I want it to stay above 1186, people. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, I just flicked off the screen, and what's happening here? What's happening here? Oh no. Oh no, let's see where it holds. Let's see where it holds. It's still a lot of volume in the market. SPY is just playing games. The market is playing games, guys. So we need to be patient here. We need to be patient. 1190. Ooh, it's very close to my support area. Very close to my support area. Down. Any other movers? Come on. There's a lot of volume in this first half an hour, guys. So you're going to see some big moves generally at market open. So let's see where we go. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I like it. I like it. I like it. It's clearly reacting to the market here. We need SPY to really catch some upward momentum here, guys. We really do. Okay, SPY. Come on. It's really struggling, man. I think there's going to be a breakout here soon on SPY. So, SOS holding up well at 1204. Okay, see that support level, guys, is very key. 1186. So it's holding up well. I like it, and I like it. 60 on CCIV. Come on. Did we hit CCIV 6? We already hit 60. Oh, I missed it. Oh, there it is. 60 on CCIV. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations to everyone in CCIV with me. Those of you who've been following me for a long time, and those of you who have been following me recently, huge congrats to all of you. If you are watching this and you are in these plays with us, congratulations. CCIV, SOS. SOS is maintaining that level, guys. I like it. I do like it. But SPY, on the other hand, is worrying me. SPY, no. If 1186 doesn't hold here, guys, we're in some trouble. We're in some trouble. Yeah, I'm holding SOS as a long-term play. I'm holding SOS as a long-term play, everyone. Oh, come on, SPY, stop playing with us. Tell us what you're doing. Tell us what you're doing. Pick a direction. Okay, SPY picking up. SPY, is he picking a direction or what? Tell us what you're doing. Okay. SOS. Oh no, SOS is looking bearish here. It looks like a sign of a reversal. We may be able to, let's see, because I want to know this pre-market level here of 1015. That's the level I want to watch, guys. That's the level I want to watch. 1015. That pre-market level is very crucial right now. So that's what I'm watching. Anyone in LKCO? I took profit on LKCO. How much money did you put into SOS to begin with, or when? Well, when it was like $2.50 or whatever, it was like $1,000. That's how much I put in. Me and you holding SOS? Yep, I'm holding SOS long term. See how crucial this level is, guys. 1180. Look, this level was charted before, and this is how crucial it's acting here. To what direction we go with SOS. If 1186 holds, this is the level I'm watching here, everyone. So I hope you appreciate and understand that. CCIV is doing very well here. Can you believe they've still not announced the news on CCIV? It's just insane. It's absolutely insane. How many times? How long do we need to wait? Losing some patience here with CCIV. They need to get their act together and tell us what's happening with the merger. Is it happening or not? Jeez. Frustrating, man. We got investors on the line waiting for the deal to get concluded, and they're just messing us around. Clearly from the price action here, it sounds like the deal's done, but they're not telling us anything. Look at this bull flag setup here coming up. SOS holding up well. We need to stay 1186. 1186 is that level I'm watching. In terms of everything else, holding everything else. Ooh, does look bearish. 3.8. Oh no, SPY. Stop playing games. Look how choppy the market is, guys. It's very, very choppy. Very, very choppy here. So we have to pay close attention, because whatever happens with SPY, the overall market may all the stock plays we're in will potentially react. 790. Come on, give me 790 SPY. We need above 790 right now, because it's struggling to stay above 790, 390. Come on, SPY. Thoughts on SOS? So a lot of people, I guess now we've got a few people here. So what I'd like to say, guys, is that look, there was another offering. It was a direct offering. So you guys know the difference. I'm sure. I think I've explained this on the. I'm sure I've explained this. Alex again. Oh man. All right. Let me just share some information. Roy wants to explain SPY, which I'll get into. Alex, naughty. That is very naughty, Alex. But basically, with the direct, I'll get to Roy's point there. He wants to know about SPY. So with this direct offering on SOS, it's not necessarily a bad thing. There's some people saying it's a bad thing or whatever. But look, this is a direct offering. It's when the company sells existing shares directly to an investor. So it's not like a public offering, which you guys have seen before in other stocks, right? So this isn't really gonna devalue the stock so much, right? And what they've already said, SOS already said what they're going to use the proceeds to. They're going to use them for furthering the benefit of the company, growing the business, etc. So you all saw what happened. The last direct offering with SOS, it was at $5, guys. The last direct offering with SOS was at $5. Look what happened to the share price. This direct offering was at $10. And you can see how the market's reacting based on the share price here. And there's no, Alex is a bad dude. Yeah, so you can see, sorry, I interrupted while I was saying myself. So yeah, so you see what I'm saying, guys, right? It's a direct offering. There's no, I personally felt there would be some people who misunderstood this offering, and then there would be a panic sell. That's what I had feelings of, but it doesn't change my position. I'm still holding in this for the long term. I have sold half the position, 400%, and we're keeping the other half of shares in here. Okay, Roy wants me to talk about SPY. So SPY is obviously an ETF, right? Now I like to use it as an indicator for overall market sentiment. You could use NASDAQ, you could use QQQ, you could use other other tickers there to understand what's happening in the market. You could look at NASDAQ. I like to look at NASDAQ occasionally. But SPY, I've been monitoring and charting SPY for a long time. So when I see overextension of SPY like this, it just does not make sense. For me, it does not make sense. Stocks simply don't just go up, right? We need to see corrections. We need to see buyers and sellers actively in the market. This tells me in this overextension of SPY that there's tons of money flooding into the market to benefit from higher equity prices. However, I feel like that people are going to start look at it from a psychological perspective. When you're reaching these all-time highs, do you not think somebody's going to take profits? Because there are people in here for short-term gains. So when you flick to the 1 hour chart, which I tend to do this a lot on my lives, guys, if you guys have been following me for a while, you'll see that SPY is an upward trend here. So when you generally see SPY in this upward trend, you need to see pullbacks back to the trend line. And now we've not seen this. We're not seeing this. So that is why we would like to see it back to the trend line. And you can see that has happened on several occasions. Look at this. This is healthy, guys. This trend line was healthy, but now this is unhealthy. You got a huge overextension, and I hope that makes sense. So I don't want to don't want to delve too much into discussing that, but I hope that answers your question, Roy. If you have any questions, leave it in the live chat. ACIC, let's go. ACIC, let's go. Roy is a bad dude. Alex is a bad dude. We just got nothing but bad dudes in here. What is SOS doing? Holding well. 12-12. I like it. I like it. 12-12. What's there to complain about here? Come on. 12-12. We're happy. We're happy with SOS. CCIV over 60, guys. CCIV is over 60. Trading at 60.66. Congratulations to everyone in this with me. Fantastic. Absolutely. That's great stuff. ACIC though is flying. ACIC, I'm so happy with that. That was very bullish right now on ACIC. Back to the live stream. Any question? Yeah, Roy, I hope that helps you, man. We'll definitely dive more into that sort of analysis of things, because it helps me understand the whole thing of the market. CCIV over 61. Wow. Guys, if the deal's not done now, then I don't know what this price is moving on. What is this price moving based on what? I know there was a rumor saying it was done, but there's no actual official news, and it's still moving the way it has. It's insane, right? It's insane. ACIC 1830. ACIC 1830. I really am pleased with that. Generally, guys, I'll be honest, most of my holdings are red today. I know I sound excited, but most of my holdings are red, so you can't always have green days. You have to have red days as well. So, oh well, not bothered. As long as you've done your DD on your before you enter any of these plays, then there's nothing really to worry about. Well, till the news is gonna, yeah, exactly. I mean, if CCIV is at this price before any official announcement, can you imagine if an official announcement was to be announced? This could fly to 80, 90, 100, boom. Because every time you see these SPAC mergers, when they're still moving, 62 is on the horizon here. But when you see these SPAC mergers and when the deals get completed, you see huge 60, 70, 80% increases in the price, right? So, man, I'm just sitting here thinking, how have they not announced the deal? How? So you can tell I'm pretty passionate about that, pretty angry about that, right? SOS, on the other hand, 1150 is falling below 1186. We may see 1015 here. That was my key support area, and it's broken below there. So I'm not worried, guys. As I said several times, I'm not worried about SOS because I'm in here for the long run. There's a lot of people who entered at 1280, and I already told you guys, entering at a stock at this high and you're looking for short-term gains, it's not going to work that way. If you invested for the long term, you've got nothing to worry about here. Personally, I don't think you have anything to worry about. No, I think some people are asking good time to buy. If I was not in SOS right now, I would wait for a further dip here, because it's broken that key area of support. So why would you enter here? You would want to wait for some more support to be gathered at a lower level, potentially 1015, because that is the pre-market low. If the pre-market low doesn't hold, then expect 886. But at these levels, it doesn't bother me, because at these levels, we're still up 280, 300%. So I don't know. I'm not really concerned at all. CCIV over 62. CCIV is just flying here. It really is. It's catching some big momentum, and really can't complain. Really can't complain with CCIV. But guys, I'll be honest, most of my shareholdings are red today, so I just have to wait and hold and see where we go. SOS. I might make a video today, guys, on a new stock I've been reading up on. I know we've been talking about SOS, CCIV for so long, right? So I think I'm gonna make a new video on another stock which you guys can potentially get involved with. But the markets are red, so this is where your patience will get tested. Your patience will get tested when the markets are like this. What's SPY doing? Oh no, guys, it's broken. SPY has broken that key area here, so I'm gonna get some cash ready because I want to buy dips. The next support area for SPY, 388.06. Now this is where it gets crucial. 387. Now that's the level I'm watching, because if 387 breaks, then we are in for some trouble. How do I style? Let's make this a bit bigger. See this level here in bold green? That's 387.48. Now that is where that's where times get scary, right? This is where times get scary. But this is the only reason you would need to be concerned at this point is if you're in options contracts. If you're swinging options, you're going to get stopped out of all your swings. You're going to get stopped out of all your trades. But guess what? If you're in shares, you just need to exercise some patience. You need to exercise some patience. If you've invested in good stocks, if you bought some good stocks, done your DD on them, when things hit the fan like this, when SPY starts to reject, shouldn't really be worried, because you've done your research. You just need to wait for the overall market to recover. Okay, SPY is getting. We really need SPY to reverse. That's what I need. SPY to reverse. DFFN. If anyone joined DFFN, it's not holding well because of the overall market right now is not so nice, not so tasty, not so fun right now. Anyway, holding all positions and we take it from there. But if SPY was to reverse, I'm gonna definitely look for dip buy opportunity. Guys, watch, right? If SPY reverses, then I'm going to get in some dips. But if SPY continues to sell off, then I'm not going to add any cash to my existing positions. But if SPY continues to sell off, then we just stay as they are. If we find rejection, it comes above 389 again, and it rejects, well, then I'm going to seize the opportunity and see if I can find any dip buys, which I'll alert to my team as well. Let's see if anybody got any questions in my team. That's the main thing. Make sure you guys are dropping a like on the live. Make sure you subscribe. We're going to try and do lives every single day, and it's going to get fun. But obviously when the markets, people aren't used to red markets here. There's a lot of new traders, a lot of people thinking stocks just go up. But that's where you need to be patient. And this is why your due diligence matters more than anything at these times when you've invested in something. But also the other thing with a good crashing market is you need to have some cash ready. So don't put all your money into the markets when you need to have some cash ready to buy up the dips, right? So I would strongly suggest people hold on to cash as well. Have a sizable cash pot ready to buy in. I've got some cash ready. If the SPY was to ever dip, well, guess what? I'm just going shopping. I'm going shopping. When SPY crashes and it hits rock bottom, that's when I go shopping. And that's what I so a lot of people here are putting their whole account into one trade. That's where you get that's where you lose. That's where you lose. You need if you've not got the capital and you've not I really think we're so close to a dip here on SPY. We are so close, guys. We are really so close. Everything is looking down, guys. Everything is looking down. So no new entries for me until I see good reversal of SPY. That's the main thing here, and that's what I want you all to understand. Until I see market reversal, until I see bullish markets, why should you add more cash? This may not be the dip. 389. Oh. We might. It seems like a bit of a head and shoulders going on here, which is a bit concerning. Bitfarms. Yeah, there's a lot of crypto mining stocks you guys know about, so yep. HGBL. Everything's struggling, guys. The whole market's struggling. So you just have to be patient when this happens. Patience. There's a lot of people who are messaging me. I probably should mention it now. When SOS started to drop, right? When SOS tried to drop, right? And well, it did drop, right? Everyone was panicking, thinking, "Oh no, oh no." And if they had just done their charting, if they just had done their checks on the price levels to watch for, right? That's when you need to exercise the patience. If you've done your research, done your checks, then what is there to be worried about? And the thing is as well, some people are talking about all this stuff about scams, etc. Right? Well, keep in mind, for me, why am I not so concerned? Because even if guys, even if SOS was to drop to 530, even below that, let's talk. If SPY dropped to 534 or $4, guess what? I'm still gonna be green. So how about that? How about that, Mr. RR? I need to do some research on that, because RR's coming with some allegations here that SOS is a scam. So he either needs to back it up with some evidence, or not make accusations here of a fraudulent stock until he comes with some factual evidence. There is videos, obviously there's a video. There's always somebody hating on someone else's gains, but I might watch that video just to give him the benefit of the doubt. But if he's not coming in here with evidence, send me an article, send me some evidence, send me some factual evidence that it's a scam. Because so many people, anyone can say it's a scam, but if you don't have any factual evidence, then prove it, right? I'm not having a go at Mr. RR here. Maybe he's looking out for us, right, guys? He's looking out for us. But if he's going to make such a claim, then I want to see proof. I want to see factual evidence. There was stuff on eHang, guys. You know about eHang, the drone thing? At least there was a video circulating, and there was actually factual evidence that was told there, right? So unless people come with a proof, then I don't really know why. Maybe they're just salty because they missed out on the trade. I don't know. Maybe it's that. Who knows? Make sure you guys drop a like on this live. It would be really appreciated. CCIV over $60. SOS struggling. Yeah. We're back down below 1186. So we'll just see where it goes. I'm happy. Guys, I'm absolutely happy people making comments on that and addressing things but if you do, guys, just putting it out there, try and please back it up with some facts, because we're all here watching, we're all here listening. You guys, 160 viewers. If somebody says SOS is a scam, you're not, and without any factual evidence, you're going to scare a lot of people invested in the stock. So please come with some facts. He looks like he's gone quiet. Mr. RR has gone quiet. I don't know where he is. No. I wouldn't. If I'm not in SOS, I wouldn't be buying now. I'd wait for a better dip opportunity. You're just entering here just because you felt like it. But if you look at the levels, use the levels to your advantage for entry and exit points, and take it from there. Let me just drop a message to the team. Okay. Yeah. Well, the whole market is red, guys. It is red. 388. Oh no, 388. Oh no, guys. Could this be the beginning of a crash? Could this be the beginning of a big correction on SPY? You're watching this live. Welcome to whoever joining in. If you're in on shares, then you've not got much to be worried about, because we just need to exercise patience if equity prices drop here. Now, SPY is a bit concerning here. We now need to see another support area of 388.36. I'm going to chart that level here, 388.36. The whole market is not oh no, what have I done? The whole market is not looking very strong at the moment, guys. So this is where most people will get tested, because what happened with NASDAQ? So there was a huge sell-off. Yep, exactly. Let's pull up NASDAQ. Yeah, it's a bit of a weird time right now, because there's overextensions in all areas of the market. And let's open QQQ. Is SDNL SSNL right now? I would say I don't know on that one. Everything is bleeding. Yeah, exactly. Aditya knows. Everything is bleeding, and this might be the start of a huge correction in the markets, everyone. I've been reading in the papers. Who was on my live a couple of days ago? I told you guys that we're in a very weird time right now. There's so much money flowing into the markets. This is overextended. SPY is overextended. It's waiting for a correction. I want to just pull up NASDAQ. Come on. Red means buy. Yeah, it just depends when to buy, right? You need to make sure you've got cash ready. That's number one. Number two, you need to make sure you have your levels charted. Look at SPY. Look at my chart. Can you see all these price levels? I'm ready to catch that support. When I find that support, I look for dips, and boom. Nobody can predict a crash. Exactly. You can't predict a crash, but you can use my price levels to understand where your key support is. Right now, key support is 387. If 387 breaks, best believe we're going to have some panic selling, guys. Best believe we're going to have some panic selling. So that is what I'm trying to tell you guys. But my damn charts are acting up here. We can look at, let's go Q. Yeah, we can look at QQQ, or let's just pull. Someone said NAS. Let's look at the full thing here. Let's look at NASDAQ, see what we're doing. NASDAQ Inc. No, forget that. Let's look at some other ticker. Give me a second. Let's look at another market ticker, which we could IW. Just going to check the news very quickly, guys. Let's check the news. Is there anything on the news that should worry us? I'm just going to check QQQ actually. QQQ. Okay. QQQ. No. No. This does not look healthy here. This does not look healthy. If 387 breaks, be prepared, guys. All I can say is have your cash ready, because we will be going shopping. We will be going shopping. QQQ is oof. Anything in the news that anybody knows about? Invesco ETF is starting to slow here. Let's pull up another ETF just to check what's going on. Let's pull up the Russell 2000. Yep, you can see it here, guys. We're red. IWM crashing, QQQ crashing, SPY crashing. So be patient. Maybe we can pull up SQ. Everything is looking dead. IWM, SPY, QQQ, SQQQ. Let's have a look. Let's look at futures as well. This trust is going up, but IWM. Oh man, we might be in for a big correction here. Yeah, there's just been some unemployment reports or whatever, jobless reports. Also, can I just say, guys, they've got a hearing, a meeting discussing the issue of GameStop today. So that could be why the markets are looking a bit shaky here. Big, everything's looking red. Everything's looking red, guys. 387. That's the next support on SPY. 387. S&P 500. This is when you need to understand what is a dip buy and what is not a dip buy. Do you see what I'm saying, guys? You need to understand what is a dip buy and what is not a dip buy. So you need to be patient. Be patient. SOS is obviously, it's not reacting just because of the share alone. It's reacting because of the whole market. IWM, QQQ, all down of roughly 1%. 388. SPY is my all-time favorite to check. So let's see what the biggest winners, biggest losers for the day. HGBL. Look, everything's red, guys. Guys, everything is red. So you guys, look how much red, guys. Can you see all this red on my charts? I don't think. Oh, you can't see it. You can't see it, but you can see I'm scrolling on the right here, and every single stock is red. Every single stock is red. So the biggest green is RIGL up 17%, HGBL up 17%. VIX, guys, what did I say about VIX? Who was paying attention when I was talking about VIX the other day? So when VIX is the volatility indicator, you can see here on the chart. So when VIX starts spiking, that's when you're more likely to see a sell-off. I covered this off before, actually. So we're entering a free fall situation here. This is where patience is going to prove well. Oh, someone just DM'd me, check CTRM. All right, let's pull up CTRM, because who was it that shouted CTRM? You just DM'd me, whoever it was. If you guys want me to look at any stock, then DM me on Instagram and we can get talking. I talk to everyone. So I'm just going to leave that here. If you guys want to give me a follow, DM me if you want me to check any stocks. I'll check it right now for you. CTRM holding up well. Looks to be reversing the downward trend. CTRM had that downward trend, right, guys? See that downward trend? It seems to have reversed now. Seems to reverse the downward trend, but the market's not holding up well, so CTRM is going to hold up. CTRM is not going to make those moves until we see it. Thanks to Kabir's Dinner who just followed me. Thank you very much, Kabir's Dinner. I see you. Okay, someone said time for. I look at all sorts of time frames. Someone just DM'd me. I look at all sorts of time frames, just depending on how big a move, but the whole market's red right now, so there is nothing really exciting going on. But I want to just show you guys that oh man, do you know the problem is I need to now find biggest loser for the day is INND. There's some huge losers here. SOS trying to get down to potentially $10. 10.15 is the next support for SOS. Anybody wondering? Let's just flick to quickly check what's happening with the overall market. QQQ down 1.5%. It's trying to find support. Will it find support? SPY still holding up at 380. No, well, the whole market's crashing, guys. So the whole market's coming down. It's coming down. Okay, guys. This is where it gets crazy. Because if SPY doesn't hold 387, then see you later. Guys. Because we're gonna face a market correction. Trust me on this one. We need 387 to hold. It's very, very important. If 387 doesn't hold, then we'll see a potential bigger correction. We will potentially see a bigger correction. Everything's down, guys. Look, I'm getting notifications left, right, and center. Everything is down. Everything. So you just need to be patient. This is going to test a lot of people because some of you aren't used to it. You're not used to this type of thing. Buy Riot blockchain when drop. Yeah, but we need to understand where is it going to find support. It's dropped a lot here. And where is it going to find support? It's trying to find support at 387, but I think we may see some more red. Because everything's dropping. QQQ is down. Where are you? QQQ, there it is. QQQ is bleeding. Trying to find support. Both are trying to find support here. What's IWM doing? IWM is down as well. IWM is down 1.8%. So they're down the most. IWM is down the most, but you can see the charts. They look fairly similar, right? When you compare SPY, when you compare QQQ, they're all generally doing the same thing because they're following the overall market. We have a market drop right now, possibly. No, not as big as March. At least that's not what I think. Because there's so many support areas we need to clear before we see a bigger move down. Right now, my point is, if 387 doesn't hold, we definitely come down. To retest either 381 or we test the trend line. And if we don't hold the trend line, then I'll look for 369. If 369 doesn't hold, because that was a clear support last time, strong support last time, and we had a double dip situation and it bounced back up, the market bounced back up. But if it doesn't hold these levels, that's when you start seeing bigger corrections. But I don't think we're going to experience that anytime soon. Because, yep, a red bloody mess, exactly. We will. There's inevitably there is going to be a market correction. Whether it happens, there's usually a trigger for it, and my trigger is I like to see the price levels, understand where SPY likes to test, and 387 at this point for me is a very crucial area, very crucial price level, and I'll closely be watching 387. 387 doesn't hold, then we're in some trouble. Look, everything is down. Your crypto stocks down. All sectors. All sectors. Every single. Look at all the red on my. I'm looking at my charts here. Everything is down. Every single thing is down. So this is where you just need to exercise some patience. Every day is not a green day, guys. So you have to be patient. There has been a bull market for almost exactly. What comes up must come down, as Ultron said. Yes, exactly. And the other thing is that guys, SPY is what do you call it? And this can trigger panic selling when people see things selling and people see pullbacks in the market, they then start panic selling. And I know a lot of people have done that only yesterday on SOS, for instance. So you start panic selling because you're not used to it, and then you don't want to lose your money, so then you start panic selling, and then that panic selling creates a vicious cycle, and then the whole market crashes. So you can see that just from any of that is that oh my days, gooey. All right, gooey, just DM me on Instagram. Let's just talk about it, because I have closed the membership group for now, but let's talk about it. I'll add you to the waiting list. We'll maybe discuss it. Damn, Gooey's paying big bucks here, man. Chill, Gooey. But look, listen, guys. When a market correction happens, if it triggers panic selling, then that's where you see a bigger correction, right? That's where you see a bigger correction. Now, and that could be the trigger, panic selling. And now look at SPY. It's coming close. Yeah, exactly. Some people see a red market as a disaster, and some people see it as an opportunity. It's just your perspective. Guys, I'm telling you, if 387 doesn't hold, see you later. Because I've got my cash ready. I'm going to buy up. I've held some cash ready to into these dip buys. Right? And yeah, what was I going to say as well? I was going to say something else. Oh, Gooey, man, I really appreciate that. That's a lot of money for one off, for paying like that. That's crazy. Okay, Gooey, I'll DM you back and we'll discuss after this. But it's just about lunchtime here for me in London, so I am gonna come back to you guys and we are gonna get into this. But keep a watch here, guys. 387.52. That is your key area of support, right? And I'm not getting into any new positions until I see the market reverse. If the market does not reverse, then there's no reason to be entering a trade, because we might see a bigger sell-off. So I hope you all understand that, because that's crucial. Crucial you all understand that. Don't be rushing into buying dips when we don't even know if there's a bigger potential drop. Yeah, exactly, Alex P, man. I'm very busy. Very, very busy, man. So much to keep on top of. We got a membership group. We got finding new plays, reading. So much reading to do, man. So, and a lot of DMs, guys. You guys have been killing the DMs, so I have to get back to you guys as well. But I appreciate all your support. Gooey, I'm going to get back to you in the DMs just now. And everybody, we're going to reconvene towards market close. Like I said, don't enter new trades until you see a market reversal. If 387 holds and it reverses, I won't enter any trades until I see SPY above 389. That's just me being extra cautious, extra careful, and extra conservative. But we potentially, it's very bearish right now. All those are down. The whole market is down. Where's a good price to buy? Guys, I'm hungry, man. Let the dude eat, right? Let the dude eat. Just hold on to your pants. Just because it's sagging doesn't mean they'll hit the floor. Oh, that's great. That's great. What is SOS doing? Just before I go, let's see what SOS is doing. 11:13. SOS holding up well here, boys. SOS holding up well here. Yeah, all stocks are red, guys. Come on, all stocks are red. The whole market's down. Take it easy. Take it easy. All right, take it easy. When the market's falling, that's when you find your that's when you find your best opportunities, when a market pulls back. Thanks very much, James Awkward. Paulucci. All right, Paulucci. I'll get back to you. All right, guys. Thank you so much. We will reconvene at market close. Power hour. Get ready. Let's see where the market goes. I'm monitoring it, and I have to do some reading right now with some lunch, and we will get in. Exactly, Francis. When a market crashes, that's an opportunity. That's an opportunity, guys. So we will hopefully catch those opportunities. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. Join me on the live at market close, and we will catch you all very soon. Thanks very much for joining on yet another live. And DM me, hit my Instagram. It's pinned on the live chat if you guys want to get into a discussion with me. Thanks very much. Take care. Bye-bye for now, guys.